Hello everyone, I am Dimpi Phukan, a student of Nur Academy Senior Secondary School from class 6. Today I am going to explain a beautiful poem, Gull by Nichols. Gull by Nichols explores the power dynamic between human and nature using the imagery of a seagull. The poem reflects on the bird's freedom and adaptability in contrast to human constraints and limitation. It ultimately celebrates the gull's ability to transcend boundaries and find peace in the natural world. So let's recite the poem by its first paragraph. The awe-stricken gull has struggled ashore, and although full grown, looked like a bewildered, scratchy fledgling. In his first stanza, the poet describes the gull as awe-stricken, which suggests that the bird has been affected by an awe spell. Despite being full grown, the gull appears bewildered and scratchy, resembling a fledgling. Its wings are altered and seem heavy as lead, making it too difficult to move gracefully. Now, second paragraph. Her altered wings seem heavy as lead, as she totters slightly stiff-legged. In the second stanza, the first, her altered wing refers to a gull whose wings are covered in a thick, sticky layer of oil or tar. This makes her wing feel heavy, similar to lead, and makes a comfortable fit, causing her to move unsteadily. Starting out the task with an unblinking atomic, almost comic surprise. In this third stanza, the poet comments Gull's problems faced due to environmental pollution. The line describes the gull's bewildered expression, and she struggles to make it to shore, cover oil and tottering on the stuffed legs. Her wings are weighed down by an altar, and she looks more like a fleeting than a full-grown bird. Now, fourth paragraph. She hasn't taken any side, but she's lost her natural hope, and more an unanswerable cry is stuck in the throat. Why? In this fourth stanza, the poet describes the gull has already lost her natural home. Example, she has depended and she wants to ask the humans with extreme unhappiness. That's why the humans have snatched her home. And she really wants to ask the people that why? The peoples are disturbing the environment. And now I'm going to share with you the summary of the poem. So let's start. The poem is about a seagull flying over the sea, but it's not as free as it seems. At first, the gull seems free and powerful, gliding through the sky with its wings stretched out wide. But as the poem goes on, we realize that the poem is struggling due to pollution. The poem reminds us that pollution is harming all the sea creatures and even the world we live in. It's not just a story about one bird, but a message about how our actions are impacting the environment. So, what can you learn from this poem? We need to respect nature, be aware of the impact of pollution, and take action to make a difference. As the poem says, every little action is counted. So let's work together to keep our oceans clean and safe for all the creatures. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.